Jeff Bezos is at it again. This time he's set his sights on revolutionizing the real estate game. He's backing a groundbreaking startup that's making waves in the investment world. Imagine owning a slice of prime US real estate without the hassle of traditional property ownership. That's precisely what this innovative platform offers, and it's turning heads. For too long, real estate investment has been a game reserved for the wealthy few. This new venture aims to change all that. By enabling investors to buy fractional shares of high-value residential properties, it's democratizing access to a lucrative asset class. This means you too can potentially benefit from the stability and growth potential of real estate regardless of your income level. This isn't just another tech fad. This is about empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. With Bezos' backing, this startup is poised to make a real impact, shifting the paradigm of real estate investment as we know it. Get ready, because the future of real estate is here, and it's fractional. The vision behind this startup is simple, yet powerful, to make real estate investment accessible to everyone. For years, the dream of owning a piece of the American dream has felt out of reach for many. High property prices, hefty down payments, and ongoing maintenance costs have been major roadblocks. This new model breaks down these barriers, opening up a world of opportunity for everyday investors. By dividing premium properties into smaller, more manageable shares, the platform allows you to invest in assets that were once beyond your grasp. Now, you can potentially own a piece of a luxury condo in Miami or a beautiful brownstone in Boston, all with a fraction of the traditional investment. This is more than just fractional ownership. It's about financial inclusion. It's about leveling the playing field and giving everyone a chance to participate in the potential growth of the real estate market. The future of investing is here, and it's about empowering individuals to build wealth on their terms. You might be wondering, how does this all work? The process is surprisingly straightforward. The startup meticulously selects premium residential properties in high-growth US markets. These properties are then carefully vetted to ensure they meet stringent investment criteria. Once a property is acquired, it's divided into shares, making it possible for investors to purchase a portion of the asset. The platform handles all the complexities of ownership, from property management to tenant relations, so you can sit back and watch your investment grow. Investing is made easy through a user-friendly platform. You can browse available properties, review their financials, and select the investment that aligns with your goals. It's real estate investing, simplified and streamlined for the modern investor. Jeff Bezos' involvement in this venture speaks volumes. As one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs and investors, Bezos is known for his keen eye for disruptive innovation. His backing is a powerful testament to the platform's potential to transform the real estate landscape. Bezos' track record of identifying and nurturing successful businesses is undeniable. His investment in this real estate startup signals his confidence in its ability to revolutionize how people invest in property. This vote of confidence from a titan like Bezos is a clear indication that fractional real estate investing is not just a passing trend, but a game changer. His involvement brings instant credibility and attracts significant attention to this emerging investment model. For investors seeking innovative and potentially lucrative opportunities, Bezos' stamp of approval is a beacon, signaling the arrival of a game changer in the world of real estate. Section 5. The power of fractional ownership, accessibility and beyond. Fractional ownership is more than just a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift in real estate investment. It dismantles the barriers of entry that have long excluded everyday investors from participating in this lucrative market. Now, you don't need a fortune to own a piece of prime real estate. With fractional ownership, you can start small and gradually build your portfolio as your budget allows. This accessibility is a game changer, empowering a new generation of investors to take control of their financial futures. It's about putting the power of real estate investing into the hands of the people. No longer do you need to be a millionaire to benefit from the potential appreciation and passive income that real estate can offer. Fractional ownership levels the playing field, making the dream of building wealth through real estate a tangible reality for everyone. Section 6. Diversification made easy. Spreading your risk. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investing, and fractional real estate makes it easier than ever to spread your risk. Traditionally, diversifying your real estate portfolio meant purchasing multiple properties, a costly and complex endeavor. With this platform, you can diversify geographically and across different property types with ease. Invest in a condo in one state and a single-family home in another, all within the same platform. This diversification helps mitigate risk by ensuring that your investments aren't overly reliant on the performance of a single property or market. This approach to diversification is particularly appealing to investors seeking to build a resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. The ability to spread your investments across various properties and locations provides a level of security and stability that's hard to match in traditional real estate investing. Section 7. Effortless Investing Real Estate Made Simple. One of the most compelling aspects of this new investment model is its simplicity. Gone are the days of dealing with the headaches of property management, tenant issues, or maintenance costs. The platform takes care of everything, so you don't have to. Imagine owning a piece of prime real estate without ever having to fix a leaky faucet or screen tenants. That's the beauty of fractional ownership. You get all the benefits of being a real estate investor without any of the traditional hassles. This hands-off approach is particularly appealing to busy professionals and those who are new to real estate investing. It allows you to enjoy the potential rewards of property ownership without the time commitment and stress often associated with it. Section 8. Shaping the Future of Real Estate Investment. This innovative startup is not just changing the game, it's shaping the future of real estate investment. By making real estate more accessible, affordable, and manageable, it's attracting a new generation of investors who are eager to build wealth through property ownership. This shift towards fractional ownership is poised to disrupt the traditional real estate market. As more investors embrace this model, we can expect to see increased demand for fractionalized properties, potentially driving up values and creating new opportunities for both investors and the real estate industry as a whole. This is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve and the demand for accessible investment options grows, we can anticipate even more innovative solutions like this one, further democratizing the real estate market and empowering individuals to take control of their financial destinies. Section 9. The Rise of the Fractional Investor. The emergence of fractional real estate investing signifies the rise of a new breed of investor. This new generation is tech-savvy, financially astute, and seeks investment opportunities that align with their values and lifestyles. They value flexibility, diversification, and passive income streams. Fractional ownership caters perfectly to these desires, providing a modern approach to building wealth through real estate. This new wave of investors is driving the demand for innovative solutions that challenge the status quo, pushing the boundaries of traditional investing. As more individuals embrace this accessible and flexible approach, the fractional investor will become a dominant force in the real estate market, shaping its future and influencing how we perceive and engage with property ownership. Section 10. A new era of real estate open to all. We stand at the cusp of a new era in real estate investing, an era where the barriers to entry are lowered and the opportunity for wealth creation is extended to everyone. Fractional ownership is leading this charge, democratizing access to a once exclusive asset class. This shift towards inclusivity is transforming the investment landscape, empowering individuals from all walks of life to participate in the potential growth and stability of the real estate market. No longer is real estate reserved for the wealthy few. This new era is about empowering individuals, fostering financial literacy, and creating a more equitable playing field for wealth creation. It's about making the dream of owning a piece of the American dream a tangible reality for everyone, regardless of their background or income level. Section 11. Ready to own your share? The future of real estate investing is here, and it's fractional. With its accessibility, diversification benefits, and hassle-free approach, fractional ownership is empowering a new generation of investors to take control of their financial destinies. If you're ready to explore this exciting new frontier, now is the time to dive in. Don't let the opportunity to be a part of this real estate revolution pass you by. The future of investing is here, and it's waiting for you. Take the first step towards building your real estate portfolio and securing your financial future. Explore the possibilities of fractional ownership and discover how you can own your piece of the American dream.